Today's video has been brought to you in partnership with Markel Direct Trades Insurance.
And if you want to get your trades business protected in minutes, check out Markel's website, markeluk.com/ball builders.
And then I stayed in a caravan in my granddad's uncle's garden.
I thought Ben just dropped it like it was hot.
He could actually be my dad, isn't it?
Yeah. Morning, Bradley.
Morning, you alright?
You good, you alright?
Yeah, all good. Look what happens we come back outside.
I was just saying that's 10.
The weather doesn't like us, does it?
It doesn't like us at all.
All running off nicely, that.
We have a new friend.
Yeah, with a board on there.
Who is this, Brad?
This is Roger. The
Hello, Roger.
COVID man.
COVID man.
We like to call him Grumpy Rog.
Grumpy Rog.
Okay.
How much have you got this spare? Not too sure, to be honest. Have a look how much in the box. You see where we've got the trims on for the soffit? Yeah, that's what's causing the problem. So it kicks it all down.
Oh, okay.
And that's where you're obviously main corner of the join of the Cornice.
Yeah.
So we're just talking about potentially notching those out.
Right.
And then so then the coving will sit nicely up to the soffit.
Yeah, cool.
It's really annoying with all these joiners. They always make them round. They need to just make them flat so everything sits nicely up to them. It's always a pain, isn't it, with them? But
So are you gonna notch out of the joiners or out of the coving?
we're thinking maybe notch the joiners out.
Yeah.
And then just cut them. Same on there, just cut them out because obviously you think they'll be under the coving. So
Yeah.
I'm planning with that today. I'll do the sides, get all the others tied up.
What does my hair look like?
Crazy.
Erratic. It looked nice this morning.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
So did mine. It's gonna be ruined now.
Your hair never looks nice.
That's really mean, Ted.
I'm joking. Hair looked good yesterday, actually, to be fair.
Thanks,
The
mate.
joins are
You had a
open as
haircut.
well. Look.
Yeah.
When were these painted?
Yeah, but Dad's been over here doing them, innit?
I didn't even realise they were painted. Oh, was we at Shaw's?
Yeah. We were stripping the bathroom and that, weren't we? Too busy, weren't we?
They're too busy working on it.
So do you have a story for me?
Yeah, I'll tell you overall.
Okay.
With my coffee.
Yeah.
No, just try that. Alright, so I wanted to teach you a life lesson, right?
Okay.
When life gives you lemons,
Yeah.
you squeeze them and you turn them into lime. So basically what that means is when the going gets tough, you keep going. Because in life, yeah, consistency pays off. Did you know that?
Not Steve. Is that what you brought me over here for?
That's what you're over here for. 'Cause
Right.
when I was younger, back in the day, like 1984, I used to go around. Selling timber
Right.
to all the utes.
Yeah.
Let's go around selling timber to all the utes, and then the business got slow. I was only selling like one bit of timber a day when I used to sell like 20.
Okay.
And I was gonna give up, but then I didn't. So then I thought, oh, how about I put in extra work, and then it succeeded, and then I turned it into like a timber expert millionaire.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
And then I stayed in a caravan in my granddad's uncle's garden. Yeah, so that's where I
Right.
was
Your
staying.
granddad's uncle's
Yeah.
garden.
Yeah, that's why I was staying in a caravan.
Yeah.
And I picked myself back up, so then I started selling wheelbarrows,
Mm.
and the wheelbarrow business picked up, but then it started getting slow again. So I decided if I put double effort in, then I can bring myself back up, and then I'm back again with a static caravan this time,
Right.
with my nan's auntie.
Great story. Compelling and rich.
You've definitely been hanging around Sam and your dad for far too long.
Why?
Because that is the most rubbish I think I've ever heard you chat.
Why? It's a true story.
What are you talking
Do you not
about,
believe
mate?
me? You don't believe me?
No, obviously I don't believe you, because you're 17 years old and you're saying that you used to run a stolen timber £1 million business and you sell wheelbarrows.
But you heard about afterlife. I have a birthmark to prove it. That just means that's how I died in my life before. I used to work with Brad, so I'm a chameleon. I adapt to my environment.
What are you boys saying?
I know what Brad looks like.
He
What?
looks like Mario.
What's that? The rain look.
That ain't far off, bro. Why are you going Shars?
Obviously crack on over there.
Are you not doing the first fix of the shed?
No, Brad said, is it worth doing that? And I said, I got a plasterer coming in like 5 weeks time, and I'm wiring the shed.
Yeah, that makes sense. Was that just a minute ago?
Yeah.
Because that plan's changed 4 times this morning.
Yeah, I know.
I had him last night. Last night he was on the phone to Sam, then he was on the phone to Brad.
What time did you speak
No,
to him?
changed.
Like, let's get our phones out.
I've spoke to him about...
9:06 that decision. Did you get a decision after that?
9:05.
There you go.
So it went from me saying that Brad's going to do the shed and do the back of the board to now 9:06 you're going back over there.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Where is he anyway?
Things changed quickly on a building site.
Sam, this is Rog.
Rod, yeah, Rog, Sam, Rog.
Rog, nice to meet you, mate. How are you, mate?
Morning, sir.
You good?
Yes, thank you.
He had a beard like
weather with me.
Yeah, I can tell.
He could be your dad.
He could actually be my dad, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's got quite a similar beard, bruv.
Yeah.
And I reckon
You're
you're
the
probably
same
about
height.
my height when you were younger. Shrunk a bit in his old age, isn't he? Used to be 7 foot, the man. We done your finger.
I shut it in the car door.
Oh.
Took it now straight up. Took the nail out.
Never.
Yeah. Did you not see the picture? We showed the picture of it.
Nah.
No. I had to delete it in the end because I didn't want to keep coming across it.
You know you've got a grumpy rod. Oh, right.
Rog.
I thought Ben just dropped you, right?
No, we said it this morning.
Oh, right. I thought Ben was just because we spoke about it the other day, didn't we? I thought Ben just dropped it like it was hot. Grumpy Rod. Rog.
I feel like I might need one of you on that side.
No, mate, Roger's
Steve's, bruv.
Roger's done stuff on Grand Designs.
Has he?
Yeah.
That one that was in Brighton that Peter Andre ended up buying, didn't he?
Usually we only run 10 metres at a time anyway, so 20 metres usually from the power source.
Yeah, right. This is my explanation. There, on the end of that, the thing spins very fast and it takes off a layer of the concrete, which is the
Latents.
That's it. So then, obviously, because if now we laid onto that floor, you're only securing your product to the latents.
Yeah, basically it's all the sediment and all the scum that comes to the surface.
Yeah.
It's like a scab, and so when you stick onto it and it just peels off, it's like pulling a plaster off. It'll just come off with it, and that's it.
So this is the smaller machine. What one's this one?
That's the RO250. It's a 250mm disc.
Yep.
And I'd say that's great for floors up to a couple of 100 square metres. It's 50 kilos, and we do that in a 110 and a 240, and then we do the 300, which is basically a 3-phase motor. But you see this extra box on the back of it?
Yeah.
It's an inverter, so we can run it on 230 volt.
Oh, okay. And has that got a bigger?
Just more power, slightly bigger disc, 50
And
mil
then
bigger, and then just more power. So
bit
it's
more
like
power.
almost 20 more kilos weight and pressure on it as well.
So would you use this one for our job?
Yeah, that's the one I would have pulled out for that
Yeah.
one down there. If we can run it on the power that we got down there,
Do we risk it for a chocolate biscuit?
I reckon so. Give it a try, see what happens.
We'll lift it. So you.
What's
ain't
the
gotta
worst that
lift
can
it.
happen? He can carry it back, can't he?
Exactly. Yeah, that's a good deal.
Got
That's a
back.
good deal. Family run business.
Yes, absolutely.
Family run business out of Southampton as well. Yeah, so you hire the machine?
Yeah, so we started hiring out these machines, but what we predominantly do is we import and we sell the machines. So we're looking contractors, hire to trade. And so this is a new brand that we've introduced to the UK the last 2 years. We're starting to build it up and get it going, basically.
Training courses?
Yeah, we do training courses. We've got our own little training suite, training booth. We run regular courses. And what we worked out since we've moved to our new warehouse is we try and work with other manufacturers.
Okay.
So we work with our suppliers, we work with Ardex, we work with Wackle, we work with different companies. So rather than coming and getting informed on one thing,
Yeah.
you can see lots of different products and you can see lots of different things
And
at
how
once.
it works with all their different products as well, I guess.
Exactly, yeah. And it's a commonality. It doesn't matter if you're putting down wooden floors, tile, LVT, micro cement, subfloor prep is key with all.
Let's talk in more work, I guess, Benny boy.
Let's get going. It's more like a buffer and switch it on and then just lower it down. So as soon as you hit the deck, just start moving it left and right gently.
That's it. Move it about, swing it left and right. The longer you stay stationary, the more material it will take off.
There we go. Pete is done. He's going back to Southampton. Absolute legend. KHR. If you're looking for grinding. I'm going to wait for the garage. I'll see you later. Got a bit worried there. See you later, mate. Job done. How good is that tool though?
It's very good. It's my new favourite tool.
That's sick, isn't it?
It's cool.
No dust either.
No.
It's the nuts.
On the mitre. Then we offer up the Cornice. The best thing to look for is the bottom edge lining up, and then hopefully everything else follows. So we've got that end right. Looking for the bottom again, and then just squeeze it in gently with your hands. If you've got enough adhesive on, it'll take the weight of it because this product's very light. You know, nice edge there, nice and flat. Every other detail lining up quite nicely to fill at a later date. We do have a little slight bow in the wall here at the moment, which often happens with a corner with an angle bead on it. So we're just going to put a couple of nails in while the adhesive goes off. You can see it oozing out, so it's actually doing its job, look. But we'll just put a couple of nails in to hold it in position so it don't slip down the wall. A couple of little taps.
Hello, Sam.
Hello, Ben. So we're in a different location today because the Portaloo stinks.
Oh.
So Poetry Portaloo is not Poetry Portaloo today. It's Poetry Sea. So we're at the beach. And this one's taken me quite a while to come up with, but I'm feeling it. I haven't done a poem in a few days, but I reckon this one is probably going to be one of the best ones I've ever done.
Yeah.
So if you're into your tools, then listen up because this is going to change your world. You ready, Ben?
I'm ready, mate.
Paslode powers every nail, built to last, it will never fail. Strong and fast, with force so true, framing dreams is all we do. From job sites near to those afar, Paslode sets the building bar. Through wood and steel it holds its own, a name that builders all have known.
Wow.
You like that?
Love that.
I actually loved it. I thought it was amazing, to be fair.
I think the setting really sells it.
I don't want to be that guy. I don't want to get too mad and a bit like over egging it and exaggerated, but I think that's probably one of my best ones.
Yeah.
Obviously I've had to write it down as always because I need to get it in my brain and read it a few times, but it's nice to have it there for backup. But yeah, there's my Paslode poem. If you'd like a poem, drop me a message or drop a comment and I'm sure we can get it done. I'm going to go back. My feet are soaking wet and I'm sinking in sand. Bring back the Portaloo. Hopefully it clears out and doesn't smell anymore. See you in a minute, Ben. Ben, you stay here.
Alright, see you later, mate.
Go for a swim.
Home stretch.
Is this the last one?
One more after this, but only down this side.
Nice.
Who wants to fill one of his externals? Oh, you're back. You always creeped up on you. Well, Benjamin's just come back from a long lunch. He's been down the beach.
I've been down the beach.
Been down the beach for a bit.
Filming poems.
Yeah.
Have you found your groove with these yet?
Yeah. We're in it. It's well we come around this one a bit twice the speed as the other unit.
Yeah.
We're done for today. Roger, the Covin man, has been very busy. Or
thank
you very much, otherwise known as my dad.
We're going to make a move. Thanks very much.
See you later, Roger.
Cheers,
Cheers, mate. Safe journey, mate.
See you, man. Take care.
Take care, Rog. So tomorrow the plan is we've got Ardex rep here. We're going to start attacking the gym and the shed floor. We've basically got sub base it, then we're DPMing it, and then we're going on top of the top layer. So it's about a 3-day process. So me and Big Brad are on that. Ted and Hollywood are over at Shah's finishing off. He might be here in the morning actually to finish off the coving because there's a bit of filling to finish off, I'm guessing, and a bit of mastic work. But yeah, until tomorrow. I'll see you later. Don't forget to
like and subscribe. Oh, Ben, don't forget, when life gives you lemons, you squeeze them and turn them into limes.
So that's it for today's video, and remember to check out our partner Markel Direct Trades Insurance for a no-nonsense business insurance quote.
And you can get your trades business protected in minutes at the Markel Direct website, markeluk.com/ball builders.